Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at letter Jim, how letter Jim is written. So Jim is written with a belly shape and it's got like a hat on top of it and it's got a dot in the middle of it. Okay, so this is letter Jim and it is pronounced similar to letter G in English. So G for John or jug. Okay, so let's have a look at how Jim is written in a word. So whether it is at the start, the middle, or the last letter of a word. Okay. So the isolated form of how Jim is written is this. Okay. So the first example I'll be using is the word Jamalun. Jamalun, which actually means a camel in English. Okay. So Jim, Fatha, Mim, Fatha, Ma, and Lam of Tanween of Dhamma, so Jamalun. Okay, so now when we write the word together, so Jim will be joined with Mim, and we can see how Jim will lose its belly shape. Okay, and this part over here will be joined with the Mim as we see over here. So Jim will lose its belly shape and will be joined with Mim, and you can see the dot underneath it. Okay, so this is going to be similar for Jim, Ha, and Kha, which have the same shape. Okay, so they will follow the same pattern of writing. So Ja, Ma, and Lam with tanween of a dhamma. So this is Ja, Ma, Lu. This is how Jim is written at the first letter of a word. And we're going to copy that into pages. Okay. And just going to make some space over here. So this is a Jim. Just going to change the color to red. It's a Jim. And we'll put the meme into blue. So we can differentiate the different letters. Okay. So Jim is red over here. So this is how Jim is written at the first letter of a word. So it's gonna lose its belly shape, and Jim will be joined with Mim. So this is Mim. Okay, so Mim will lose the line over here, and Mim will be joined with Lam. Okay, this is Lam, and obviously the last letter will maintain its normal shape. So this is Jamalun. So I'm gonna copy that and put that in here. Okay, so just to get the formatting right, okay, I kept that word over there. So this is Jamalun. So Jim are the first letter of a word. Now we'll look at how Jim is written in the middle of a word. Okay, and the word I'll be using is Shajarun, which actually means tree. So Sha, Ja, and Run. Okay, Shajarun. Shin Fatha, Jim Fatha, Ja, Ra with Tanween of Dhamma, Run, Shajarun. Okay, so now when we write it together, so the Shin will lose this shape over here, it's going to shorten and it's going to join with Jim. Okay, so Sha, Shin, losing the belly shape, joining with Jim, Jim with Fatha, and Jim, and this is joined with the Ra. So Jim as well will lose the belly shape. You can see the dot will be underneath Jim, and the Ra is here. So Shajarun, which actually means tree in Arabic. So we're gonna do the same. We're gonna copy that into pages. Okay. So we will do a bit of formatting. Okay, so change that color into red, and that's gonna be black. Let's put that into black. Okay, so this is Shajarun. So Sheen joined with Jim. This is Sheen over here with a 3 dot. This is a Jim, and the dot is underneath it. This is a Fatah Ja, and this is a Ra, which is the at the end of the word. Okay, Shajarun. Copy that into a table over here. So just to get the formatting, just gonna copy it over here. So there is Shajarun. Jim at the middle of a word. Now we'll look at our last example, which is Jim as the last letter of a word. And obviously the last letter is easy, it's just gonna maintain its normal shape. So, and the example I'll be using is Hajjun. So Ha joined with Jim. So when we write it Ha joined with Jim. So this is Hajj. This is how Jim will be written at the last letter of a word. So I'm just gonna copy that, paste that into pages. Okay, so let's make some space over here. Okay, so this is Jim. Change the color to red. Here's okay, so this is Jim. Okay, Ha. So Ha as well will lose the belly shape, and Ha will be joined with the Jim. This is a Jim over here. Okay, this is how Jim is joined, and this is how Jim will be written at the last letter of your word. So I'm just gonna copy that and paste that in here. Okay, just to get the formatting, space it here first. Okay, this is Jim at the last letter of a word. This is Jim in the middle of a word, and this is how Jim is written at the first letter of a word. Okay, so the initial and the medial, Jim will lose a belly shape, and the final form, it's gonna maintain its normal shape. Okay, so this is it for this video. Okay, so in the next video we'll look at letter Ha. So we thank our sponsor Taxi Wonder, which is a free taxi application, so you can register and download for free. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.